This short video is the first in a series to outline Shunra's unique mobile performance engineering capabilities. As the leader in network virtualization, Shunra has pioneered performance engineering across multiple environments, and the new Shunra Mobile Performance Engineering platform provides an accessible, scalable framework to test, verify, and optimize mobile end-user experience. Before discussing mobile performance testing, it's useful to review the relative importance of mobile access. This recent study by Latitude Group assessed the proportion of mobile browsing during the second half of 2011, clearly showing that mobile usage has seen a dramatic increase in the recent past, and some other estimates say that mobile will account for half of all visitors by as soon as 2015. So what difference does the performance of your mobile apps and websites make to your customers? A recent report by TLeaf demonstrated that poor performance can have serious wider brand impact, with 63% of respondents being reluctant to re-engage with an organization via any channel after suffering poor mobile performance. A different study performed in 2011 by Strangeloop artificially delayed hundreds of thousands of real mobile visitors to mobile websites by up to 1 second, allowing reductions in all key metrics to be accurately measured as shown here. Most importantly, a delay of 1 second resulted in an 8.3% increase in bounce rate or abandonment and a 3.5% reduction in conversion rate or revenue. The summary is that mobile performance matters. So let's have a look at the recent deployment of a mobile app for a major European bank. This app provided access to all the bank's services, including account balances and other information. Testing the app verified that it performed well on a Wi-Fi connection. However, anecdotal information from end users pointed to problems using the app on mobile networks in Europe. We can see here that the actual performance of the app suffers very severely when accessed on a 3G network in southern France, for example, with the startup time of the initial menu taking more than 40 seconds. Wouldn't it be better that performance for all users could be verified before apps or websites go live? So apart from affecting usability, reducing revenue, or impacting brand, are there any other impacts of poor mobile performance? One major concern is the potential impact of poor or failed transactions from mobile devices on other channels, such as the support help desk or the telephone sales line. Apart from user frustration, each additional call with a real person can typically cost your organization up to $100. An additional issue is the impact on server scalability of slowed transactions from mobile devices. The largest online bank in the US, for example, deployed a mobile version of their website. Within a short period, however, the usage grew to 5% of all users accessing the mobile website from mobile devices, which of course is good news for the bank. The bad news was that at this level of usage, the entire web infrastructure stopped working, with 100% of all users unable to access any pages. So how can we uncover these performance issues before the app is deployed to the users, especially given that slowdowns may only be seen under specific mobile network conditions? One option is to test the app on actual handsets in the field. Firstly, is it feasible to field test the mobile performance across a wide range of geographies, perhaps multiple cities and locations in Europe or globally? What if the servers are hosted in Ireland but the users are in Germany or Australia? Or what about multiple network connection types and operators? How would you ensure performance and the correct operation of mobile apps when, for example, a user changes from 3G to 2G and back while browsing? Or how about network connection quality? What about when a user transfers between cells, steps into a lift, or changes desks in the office? Even if you were able to recreate these conditions in the field, could you ever recreate the scenario and then verify that a fix or change solved it? Field testing is expensive and ineffective for mobile testing. So what is the answer? The solution is to take an engineering approach to the network, using Shunra's unique mobile performance engineering technology to enable your developers, testers, and QA staff with the ability to accurately recreate all mobile network conditions. There are several options for how Shunra can enable network virtualization in your environment, but the simplest is to use Shunra VCAT client software to replay mobile network conditions within a test workstation. Then, by configuring a Wi-Fi hotspot to share the workstation's connection with a mobile device, the traffic from the handset or tablet can be routed through the Shunra client. Thereafter, the Shunra software can recreate any mobile network conditions, virtually transporting the test device anywhere in the world, emulating any network type at any quality, even allowing switching between conditions in live time profiles. Shunra's comprehensive test enablement framework will then allow you to measure and verify the actual performance of mobile websites and apps, as well as optionally providing detailed network analysis of the communications between mobile device and servers, and delivering an extensive set of automated optimization and remediation recommendations for each step in tested user journeys. So how can this process add value to your mobile development, testing, and deployment activities? As an example of the value, I'd like to share with you our own experience on our mobile website m.shunra.com. We decided to outsource the development of a dedicated mobile website and were promised content optimized for mobile users. However, testing using our mobile performance engineering platform demonstrated that the actual performance for mobile users was less than satisfactory, taking more than 24 seconds to render for 3G users in the US. We then used Shunra to provide a series of optimization recommendations to the development team. Simply by implementing these changes, they were able to reduce the content size, reduce the application turns, and optimize the pages across the site, delivering download times of less than 4 seconds for mobile connections in the US, and only fractionally below that for worldwide users. You can try the site now to see the results for yourself. Slow mobile performance doesn't just affect users, however. This case study shows the tested performance of 5,000 users accessing a website. As you can see, for the duration of the test, the performance was stable and within acceptable limits. The client was planning to extend the website to mobile users and decided to repeat the same test, adding only 25 mobile users part of the way through the test. The impact was dramatic, with the overall performance of all 5,025 users slowing considerably due to capacity issues on the web servers from the small number of additional mobile users. Optimizing the mobile user performance will ensure your web servers and application servers are scalable to all types of load. Once enabled with these unique Shunra capabilities, a comprehensive mobile performance test process can be easily implemented. The start of the sequence is to systematically uncover the actual mobile network conditions of your end users and clients, wherever they are and however they connect. Then use Shunra to recreate these conditions in your test environments, including supporting on-device testing or mobile emulators, and produce detailed actual performance data. Thereafter, analyze communication between mobile apps and servers, prioritize the slowest steps, and generate automated optimization recommendations to improve the mobile performance. Finally, add mobile network virtualization to your load tests to ensure that your non-functional tests are accurate and representative, and that any issues are uncovered before deployment. Shunra's Mobile Performance Engineering Suite delivers unique capabilities to build your mobile performance test practice. To learn more, look for the other videos in this series, starting with Step 1, Discovery of Mobile Network Conditions. Alternatively, browse to the Shunra Mobile Zone at this link.